What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out at Dover's, and as you can see, we did get a little snow yesterday. It started out raining all day and then ended up snowing. The roads were not impacted at all, just, you know, not a whole lot of snow, just a little. But anyway, guys, we are out here today. We're going to be putting a water pump in Cody's car. Now, if you remember Cody's car is the blue 2-valve Eaton car that I did a video on a while back. Been on the channel several times, just, you know, here and there. But anyway, he came yesterday, got a hold of us, and we've been talking a week. He'd been having a little rattle noise and trying to figure out where it's coming from. So yesterday he came over. Me and Caleb was doing a wire tuck on the SSP car, and if you want to check that video out, go check out Caleb's channel. He's got the video. It'll be out by the time this video comes out. But so he came in and had a little rattle noise, and did a little digging, and we found out that the once we got the belts off, we found out the water pump, you can actually wiggle the water pump, and that was causing the rattle noise. So guys, today we're going to be putting a water pump on that. And yeah, I know, right? He's moving along. Got the belt off.
He done had done. He didn't have his supercharger way up.
Yeah, that supercharger went on the way. He'd be done in 2 seconds.
All this is for sale. I'm going to LS. If you want it, buy it.
I'll tell you what, I'll take the car for your hand right now for $3,000.
No, just the engine.
Alright, so we got the supercharger belt off, and we're working our way to the water pump. And guys, this is what I was talking about earlier, is if you can hear it, anyway, guys, I don't know if you can hear that really well, but it's I can rock the pulley like this, and it's making a tapping sound. So the tapping sound that he was hearing, we're pretty sure that that is the exact sound that we're chasing, and so we're going to remove the water pump, replace it. But that's what we're doing, guys, and we're going to take this water pump pulley off, and I'm pretty sure we're going to have to move this accessory bracket. I don't see us not having to. So, guys, we're going to get started and get this thing tore apart. I'm going to get the water pump pulley off first to see what we're looking at. We're going to see up in here, see if we can actually move this out of the way. See if it's possible to get that water pump out without taking the bracket off. And I think it is. So that's what we're going to try, guys.
Let's hope them awesome Torque Tech engineers helped us out on this one.
Yeah. All right. Grease that up really good. You don't want to cut the O-ring going in with the new one, and then I also put a little grease around the inside of the engine right there. So last thing you want to do is cut the O-ring and have to do this job and pull it back apart to repair it. Just like that. All right. All the bolts back in. Alright, so we got the water pump pulley bolted on. We got the belt back on for the accessory drive belt on, and now we're about to put the supercharger belt back on, and then we'll put the coolant back in and fire it up. She's alive! The sun is out. Yeah, but for how long? So far so good, no noise. That was a long way to get to 55.
It was. It's slow.
Something's wrong. Something's wrong with it. 55 took way too long.
Need a tune-up or something.
Yeah.
Too rough.
Those tires were like slipping and you know.
Yeah. Car's in rough shape.
Car's in bad shape. It's time to sell it. It's time to sell
AC.
Oh, that's what it is.
Okay, let's see what happens now.
Damn, you only hit 25 that time. It's sick. It's sick. Something to take it in.
Something bad is wrong. Okay, so the AC doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. AC doesn't matter.
It's a myth. It's a myth.
Cody, and you know, just maybe it's me,
Yeah.
but I think I found the reason why you go through tires.
No! No! What are you talking about?
Just saying.
No.
Maybe, just maybe.
No, man, come on, no. No, these tire companies just can't make a tire for you. That's all.
I know, right?
You can need a tire sponsor, is what it is.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
We're gonna wrap this video up here. The sun is finally out, but it's been doing nothing but pretty much raining non-stop here.
Tennessee does not like the people that live.
No. I don't know if I can ever remember this much rain months on months.
There's been a lot of raining, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, you got all the nitrous finished in your car, right?
Yeah, I got a few more things I gotta finish on, but we're pretty much done.
Okay.
Pretty much done. Gotta get it tuned.
Yeah, the biggest thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna get that back to his house and get Blue over there back, and that's what we're gonna be doing. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.